Androna Pito, Lode Rai Raban Loko, Riomete Loka Action Aid Uganda, Nges de Bale Baina Petanu, Nges de Rai Chutnu de Los Kintere, I Sikapiki Idwe Keda Ijiene na Ada Community Keda Akiro Kopekwa na Node Jula Kintore Ekuse Loda Ikwamin, Tetere Pedoreta Jenu na Akiro Noda Rai Kito, Nepe Keda Iwarit, Iboro Luda Erai Suban Luka Edeke.
And so one of the things that we're doing is mass sensitization. And we believe school is a good environment to sensitize people. So this is a campaign that is ongoing. Yes, we want these students to be ambassadors of change. And in two ways. One, we want them to spread this message in their homes, in their schools, but also we want them to develop these good practices. Plant trees in their homes, because the trees they are benefiting from were trees that were planted by people who came long before them. And they have a responsibility to make sure that they carry on the baton to the next generation.
The initiative Action Aid is taking in schools is going to address serious impact of climate change, because by giving out trees to the schools, it's going to increase the forestry cover.
Sara Dong, Nade Polokinitu Nuda Shoman Kokumi District, Balabe Idwe Luda Ipu, Nyesda Ibusa Kintai na Akiro Nada Ekuse, Tetereda Ipolo, Etogenete, Ainingosha, Nuda Ijatari Ekuse Loda Ronon Lo Ikwamin.
Yala manoi ano aina ni na richamu tibene utatadwa idwa ikicha omusho kwa nene elo sekes daida utari nyarunguna lo stay aigwa ikinto maso msho nara nyunyesi utaso aisi niko ikinkesi
so iborene pol ikotro etungalo kumi tungalo oteso anyine betidi sharete Akiro na ije pekito ano aichwe matapalin aije pekito ano aipoyo aije pekito ano aichwe makaranu ipois ikotro ailepi tungalo oteso aith shari akor kidingo swama akori mucherin nara iboroka lungesa julakisi ekselo Ikwamin lode beti ayaoni etenge lolo aribu na araroni
Moses Opio Lode Yaiti Nuda Magoro Nepeke de Isuban Luka Edeke Kumi District Local Government. Ngesde Balebe.
The generations before us made a contribution, but the time for us to act is now. For the right people to take action and make sure that we save our environment. As you come here to debate, it's not about only exchanging the ideas, but we have to put this into practice. Okay? Be the ambassadors to the rest. When you go back home, make sure that you are the forefront of protecting the environment in your location.
Nseko Anthony Lode Ratupito na RDC Kumi District. Ngesde Balebe.
That if we sensitize the younger generation, they can be of good help in making sure that the environment is restored. So as our office, we are committed to help the younger children and also members of the community to see that we restore the environment.
Eriongete Local Action Aid Ngesde Bude Kora. Ikito Mamade Ija Sisomero Iluda Aja Sei Tolota Ishesa Umisho Otomo Debate. Lude Dolto Silukumini Wangon. Sodi the district Ngesde Bude Dumu Ilukumini Nepetai. Iuni Ido Action Aid Ngesde Ikeonto Balasi da Ebe. Pudasi da Kesi Akora Nepe Kedai Raikini Kito Lude Doltos Emilionite Dope. Kanuka TV East Martin Okolo Kokumi District.